Let's talk about why a prosecutor might drop your domestic violence case. I'm going to give you the top 4 reasons here, and my favorite is lack of evidence, right? Call me old-fashioned, but let's face it. Anyone can make an accusation. They can throw out some words, and those accusations can get somebody arrested. It's going to be my job to pester the prosecutor about the fact that they're going to need to either back up those accusations with actual evidence, or they're going to need to drop this case. So, well, for just a moment, I'm going to drill deeper into what I mean by lack of evidence analysis. What am I saying here? So the example I'll give you is, let's say we have someone claiming that they were hit or something happened to them physically. That's how you get a battery. I want to know, are these injuries consistent with the accusations? Do we have any proof of this? Let's look at the body cam footage. Are there red marks and scratches that would be consistent with those accusations? Even if you have marks, I'm going to do a background check on the alleged victim. Is this a credible witness? Sometimes, even without a background, we can get body cam footage, and it's obvious this alleged victim is high, drunk, super emotional, or a terrible combination of all 3. Should the prosecutor trust what was said under the influence? This person can't even drive, but you're going to put somebody in jail? So once we've shown the prosecutor, hey, your main witness might not be enough to convict, I guarantee you that prosecutor is going to start looking for an independent witness to this battery domestic violence. When the prosecutor discovers there are no independent witnesses to this crime, they're left with a simple he said, she said situations. Now, these sorts of things, not all domestic battery facts make a prosecutor comfortable, nor should they be comfortable to move forward without someone independently verifying, yeah, I saw this happen. So if they don't have an independent witness, that may be enough to cause the prosecutor to say, okay, on these facts, I can't move forward. I'm going to drop the charge. Now, the next reason to drop the charges involves inconsistencies within the witness statements, right? Because these days, we have a lot of ways to point out inconsistencies. We're going to start by getting a copy of the 911 call. I want to see what the 911 operator was told. That's one statement. Then I'm going to look at what the police were told. That's 2. Then I'm going to check against what the victim wrote, the alleged victim wrote. That's 3. Do all of these statements line up? I doubt it. If the stories don't line up, we're going to give the prosecutor just one more reason that these charges need to go away. A big reason why prosecutors will drop a domestic battery charge is if they've received a sworn statement from the alleged victim that adds facts to the case. Facts not found in the police report. And we call this a drop charge affidavit, a declination of prosecution. But really, these are just sworn statements. We made up some fancy names for them. Now, it seems like an urban myth that needs to be clarified in other videos I've done that an alleged victim in a domestic violence battery can't just say some magic Harry Potter words like, I don't want to press charges, we love each other, we have kids together, I know you do. That's not enough to get the case dropped. I'm sorry. So it's nice to tell the prosecutor what you think as an alleged victim. That's great. It's helpful. But they don't have to listen to you on that. But I tell you what they will listen to, what they have to listen to. And I'll say this. I've been defending domestic violence battery since 1993. So, depending on when you're watching this, it could be about 30 years into this. And my point is, in all those years, the police always, and rather conveniently, leave out favorable information that would help our case, that will help the defendant. So that means the alleged victim can come and write a declination later and want to cooperate. And depending on what the police left out, the alleged victim can put that back in. And this new statement with new more information that was left out, that is really going to be helpful, very helpful. Got to do that with an attorney though. So there you have it. These are the main reasons why a prosecutor might drop your battery domestic violence case. And if this happened in my backyard, and that means Orange County, Seminole, Osceola, Lake, Brevard, Volusia, or Polk County, I hope that you'll give our office a call. Let's see if we can help you out with this. Thanks for watching, and take care.